Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And while not any really new updates to talk about, there is an update in the sense of Monday of next week shaping up to be very, very interesting. Why do I say that? Well, it all revolves around that red line, which for you longer time viewers, hopefully remember, right up there around $3. And you can see that the price didn't quite hit it today, but it is sure close. So, assuming there's no gap down or anything like that, and it opens up right around that area on Monday, the price is not going to have to travel very far until, the bulls can try to get a breakout here above that $3 mark. So $3 definitely, still the key level of resistance, but the point here being the bulls are definitely well within striking distance to do battle with it, and then we'll see if they can break above it and most importantly stay above it, because you want to get a true break, and a true break has two parts. The first part's the obvious one. Well, yeah, price has to break above a certain level, but then the big question comes, can the price stay above it? Can the price maintain the price that it just broke above? So if the price can get up above $3 on Monday, then remember the next big question, can the price then stay up above it? As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing new here to report, just the same levels that we've been tracking. Overall level, and from best case scenario, if the price can just keep on holding up above that purple line, which has now crept up above the previous levels that we've been talking about. So purple line now becomes the near-term level of support, and if the price can stay above there, like I said, that would be best case scenario. In the event it cannot, that doesn't mean the entire chart's ruined. Next levels of support would be 285 and 277. All in all, though, very interesting setup going into next week, so grab some popcorn and let's see what happens with it. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.